please share this video. Share. Yes, the network was bad. I don't know waiting they do this, waiting they do some of this phone. Little song you have to make out the overhot. So nothing like Android anyway. Yes, as I was saying, today I choose not be I choose fever clutch my enemy program, but thank God I don't feel stand up now. Although even if people like us know we defeat the act. But thank God now we are getting better. So I say make I use today take rest. Yesterday when I say I be rest, I still go work. Owing to the fact says that particular work we did yesterday, I no go feel leave make they just go do one without I not did there to see how it go. Because that work was a cadastral survey, a very big 37 hectares. I imagine say 37 hectares of cadastral. I not did it means the work will go wrong. So ensure accuracy. I make sure say I did it to do exactly what is expected. So that was why I came out yesterday. But naturally, good yesterday, na paracetamol, now make me feel stand. Not be say maybe I really get the strength as I then. But thank God today now, we are now getting stronger and better. I want to say a very big thank you to those people who still with me. Say, Sakono, get well soon, get well soon. Thank you. I don't already bam. From Monday, I'm not sure say we'll get any reason to say we'll not go work. It's going to be work. Till when we'll see this Sunday, we'll see you this Sunday, take rest. And so we say thank you. This one will say work. If not be the opportunities, we will stay if they give us to get the work. If the work not there, you go work. So we stay as well. I still say thank you to you for commissioning us to carry out your exercise. Now, my message today is very clear. If you know they hear me well, you tell me say I know they hear you well, so that I go increase my volume. I will increase my volume. Now, let's tell ourselves the simple truth. In fact, in Edo State today and in Nigeria, we are not comfortable, we are not happy with our local government. Our local government, in fact, if you ask me, I do have the opinion, say when they scrap one, because it don't be like economic dream pie. We people here to eat. Local government, before we could recall, even in Lucky Benedict regime, local government said the work. Local government, the work. But now this local government, they know the work, they collect money, don't see it. Apart from Ikpobaoha local government, local government, the rest local government, there's nothing to write to me about them. Apart from Ikpobaoha local government, I know the rest, I not get anything when I feel vast for them. That local government was about Ikpobaoha local government. So now the local government chairman the verse at the talk, all the councillors are nothing. All the councillors are zeros. All. None of them. Now, because of the local government, as a local government, we agree to the fact that the local government chairman on his own, they reach out. We know how many transformers that man don't distribute. No, in fact, all the wards in the local government has been touched. But the question is, what in the councillors did they do? What did they do? They had under chairman, they collect money, we not see anything where they achieve. Apart from a local government, one councillor from a go, Derek Huangu, made a shock as Derek said they feel they do you for a go. I don't know the word where Derek did. And the shock I say they feel they do you because it can be like say a main councillor can be like House of Rep. Empowerment program. I'll say, you go share this one, you go share that one, go share this one. During COVID-19, I shock out that council. Whether you get ready for the CEO revenue, me not can know. Because the guy is outstanding. The rest of them, nothing. Nothing. He can just be like, say, that office, when you open up, people don't really come out and say, local government in normally, in development, we have, let us break development to different ramifications. Because when you talk about development, you are talking about the system of government, you are talking about government that can reach out to the grassroots. As we speak today, the local government now, when they send a local government to the grassroots, they have nothing to offer. They cannot even sponsor agricultural program. As low as agricultural programs, okay, as it be like this now, since we are covering suburban areas like this rural setting, and this people depends on agrarian to develop, let us see how we can be able to impact positively on the life of the people. Once they pay salary, local government chairman will go to builders. Once they pay salary, local government chairman will build your personal pure water company. Once they pay salary, local government chairman they do your personal investment at the detriment of those that are supposed to benefit immensely from them. Are we going to allow this kind of situation to continue like this? Please share this video and invite your friend. We must get it right at the same time. It is somebody said including Obaseki. No, if you are saying including Obaseki, that's to say you don't understand what governance is, and I can explain, but I'm not supposed to digress. I'm here to talk about the local government. When it's time to talk about the state, we'll tell the state the truth. We won't bend it. And by the power of God Almighty, it is better for you to be on the side of the people than for you to be on the side of government. If the people hate you, you're all not finished. But when the people like you and government hate you, you are protected. Nobody tries the will of the people. Even the government is afraid of the people. That is why government is always afraid to come out and tell you, say, I've eaten your money. If they are not afraid of the people, they'll tell you, say, we eat your money, nothing will happen. But they are afraid of the people. So it is better to stand on the part of the people and to remain with people than for you to say, I'm with government. So we must come here to speak the truth at all times. So if you understand what governance is, you will agree to the fact that Obaseki government is not only developing Edo, it is building the people. Now let's give a classical example. I just want to digress a little bit. We'll go back to local government. As we speak today, Osakwe-Nokwode can never think of fighting. Osakwe-Nokwode can never think of looking for a way to harm somebody. Osakwe-Nokwode can never think of a way to... You just say we're not still in men. Forget say we're not join court. You just say we're not be men. If I get idle now, not get what I do. My brother forget to. My sister forget. Some of us will sit down and say, we will not lie with that boy to do. Maybe they arrange you. But you don't engage me. And they do CFO. And they do survey. Me now, as I guess, now, if I tell you now, say now CFO and survey, that make me break down. Since the election courage now never rest, work. Which time I get to take over, Sabi? But may I not get work just now. Make me not get work. Whether not be social over Sabi or they see me they do. Make I not get work, I will do over Sabi. It is the truth. So if a government can be able to create a template, as we speak now, everybody you see on social media, I did do CFO. I did do CFO. I did do CFO. That do you know number of indirect employment that have been created? Obaseki, you see, if you build roads, you not give the people opportunity. They are coming back to destroy the roads. If you build schools, you don't give the people the opportunity. They will come back to destroy the schools. Now, as we speak, we want to look at Red Roof under Oshomole regime. They destroy, not until recently when they started to resuscitate them. So, it is very expedient that you develop the people so that the people will in turn develop the environment. No public, no sensitization. No, you just say, build road, no security, nothing. My dear brothers and sisters, the people will come back to destroy those things. So first, you must empower the people for the people to be able to start. Let's take an example now. As we speak today, Obaseki create room for CFO to come down. You now they do CFO. You carry CFO, give me. As we speak today, at least me go still pull like 2 street lights from my zone. From the CFO benefit to me benefit from you, because I cannot tell you, say, I am doing your CFO for free, me not to get my own. I am a liar. If I should tell you that, I am a liar. So, you now don't give me employment through waiting Obaseki create. At the end of the day, if it's okay, I don't like the way that my area take dark. I want to put 1 street light for Joshua, I want to pull the other one. Now again, go and see those in the diaspora. They are not some like them Lamte, like Ambassador Dion Osage, and many more. Through Gossett Foundation, Lamte or Yaka, I don't know his real name. They are establishing street lights. These are enabling environments created by government. So when you are expecting government to say, Obaseki here, Obaseki there, that's to say you are not ready to move this your state forward. You are not ready to move this your state forward. It is a collective resolve. Now, the government of the day built a vigilante. It brings out vigilante. You just say, government, I get vigilante. You look at, help build the vigilante. You not criticize them when necessary. You know that they say this and this is what they need to do to make them succeed. My dear, let's be sincere to ourselves. no matter how insecurity go dey in the state, it cannot get to the government. Now me and you, now it go affect. So when government try to come up with infrastructure to better your life, join and assist the government to make it work. Ordinarily, all these our local government chairman with this, so people like us also because party level, so we don't want to talk. No, we go talk them. They're not the track. Apart from Igbobaoka local government, and the councillor, this is the local government chairman for Ego, councillor, he never Derek Wangu. The rest is nothing to write home about. They are nothing to write home about. And the reason why Igbobaoka local government chairman said they even perform very well, we say there is a good watchdog mechanism. The secretary to the state government is watching and is making sure that things are done rightly under his local government. They follow up. And the local government chairman, the owner, is an intellectual, a lecturer in Uniben. If he finishes the activity now, he's going back to the classroom. You cannot expect an intellectual to begin to behave like that. That is why you see him say, Igbobaoka said they perform. We don't wonder. So I am of the opinion that if not so they wanted to do, local government is good. Local government is good. But with the way it be like economic dream pack. Local government chairman, they just sit down, they just say, in fact, they go hold teachers many months, they don't go pay. If they manage to pay, you will never see one road where they say they bulldoze. Just to bulldoze road, a local government meeting. Now, let's break development to different ramifications in line with governance. In Nigeria today, we have what we call Trunk A, Trunk B, Trunk C road. In the Western world, it is called the arterial road. These are roads that lead traffic from state to state at the arterial road. This arterial road leads traffic from state to state. They are normally 6 lanes. But in the door here, in Nigeria here, we have arterial road too. But the arterial road, many of the day Abuja, but this our arterial road we say we get here now. Now, federal road we call them. It leads traffic from state to state. It not reach the way arterial is supposed to be. It's supposed to be 6 lanes for arterial. But the way this one be now, it not reach like that. But we call them federal road. And it's called Trunk A road in Nigeria context. That Trunk A road is owned and managed by the federal government. It is the responsibility of the federal government to build and develop the Trunk A road across states of the federation. Hello, live video. Send him a message. Call you. Talk me. Live video. Live video. Like send him a message. Live video. Send him a message. Live video. Live. In real life video.
Okay, real life video.
Yes.
Later, it's okay.
Alright, call you. Now, that is the responsibility of the federal government. As we speak today, the lukewarm attitude on the part of federal government, no road good for the federation, apart from the road within the northern part of the country. All the Trunk A road is dead. All is dead. Now, the next road is called the Trunk B road. In the western world, it's called the Collector Road. That Collector Road, I am talking to you now as an environmentalist, based on my profession. That Collector Road takes traffic from the arterial road and take it to the streets. E.g., and those Collector Road, or otherwise known as Trunk B road, is managed by the state government. Now, let me give you a classical example of what a Trunk B road looks like. Now, you have a road like Benin Auchi Road, a federal road. Now, you have, in Benin Auchi Road, you have a road called College Road. It takes traffic from the arterial and distributes it to a community. And it collects traffic from the arterial and takes it into the community. It is owned and managed. It is owned and managed by the state government. And as we speak, our collector road in Nigeria, in Edo State, is fairly okay, even if it is not okay. Because whether we like it or not, we will not shy away from the truth. Government is continuing. Oshomole did well in Collector Road, and the Obaseki administration continues in the Collector Road. Now, what is a Collector Road again? You see this Ekenwa Road. It's a Collector Road. It takes traffic into communities, into states, into zones in the states. Then we have what we call Tronxy Road in Nigeria, otherwise known as the local access. The local access. For those who knows about the neighborhood concept as propounded by Clarence Perry in 1928 in the United States of America, you will understand what I'm talking about. The local access. The local access are those roads that collect traffic from the Collector Road and distribute it within the community. E.g., the road linking taking traffic from College Road to Osaze's house, to Sakunopodi's house, to Eimema's house. That's my name, Eimema. To Eimema's house. It's called the local access. It is managed by the local government. There are roads called cul-de-sac, otherwise known as dead end, where you normally call close. So and so close. Those roads are managed by local government in the Nigerian context. Ask yourself a simple question: how many Collector Road have been tarred? How many local access has been tarred in Edo State? As they say, we no get money, but they build different this thing for different corner. I not say now you not benefit for yourself. After all, you contested, but that is not enough reason for you to just say you just go sit down, say local government chairman, you own just as the money you can say how much come. Una the collect revenue here and there. Una only carry that as you collect revenue finish, revenue reach your hand, you carry and finish, use and go to do your own personal self at the expense of the people that brought you into power. This message is for the local government chairman. Thank God with their tenure don't expire. The new ones that are coming must be ready to be up and doing. They must be up and doing. They must be up and doing. That is the simple truth. You just see councillors. The councillor, let me tell you. They give you subvention. Money, even if you say the money will come not big. Fine. What's this what you do? We go still see what you self do as a councillor. We say, okay, in Ward 1, now this councillor, now he make this ball come. Nothing. You don't have to just sit down, you relax. You're there. Now to use your hand, they touch month. You're the calculate, the count money. Your own also now for your personal sake. I think this time, if you want to make this state your bound, mokuna ready. If you want to make it day way, mokuna ready. Me all of you come out. If you just say, "I dey wait for the governor," you are making a big mistake. That's why on our part, by the power of God Almighty, in Diaspora Connect, that happens to be the coordinator general, we are set to really complement the effort of government. We are ready already. We want to move on. In fact, we are interested in security. We are interested in the security architecture in Edo State. Hello, boss. I did live video. I'll reach out to you immediately as I true. I did live video. I'll reach you. We are interested in the security architecture in the state. We will play a very huge role. And we are still interested in rural development. And then for now, we will not rule out what we are going to do yet, but we are interested in those 8 key areas, and we are going to make sure that we impact positively on the life of the people in that area. Now, I think it is hard time we fight for local government autonomy. And the State House of Assemblies must be ready to be up and doing as well. Local government need autonomy, it is true, because I just saw a comment from someone they really need autonomy. But autonomy or no autonomy, now man wey fit spend 10 naira, where now we fit spend 1 million where. That's the truth. If they give you 1 million naira, you give you 10 naira, you bonus. If they say give you 1 million, you bonus. You go bonus. So that is no excuse. Because all this local government we talk now, they Ikpuba how Ikpuba Okati they perform. Because the local government chairman in Ikpuba refused to be greedy. Are you aware that the vehicle where Ikpuba local government chairman they use, where they don't fair use before, now see they use it today. And now you want to show so hand over so. But you see the rest of them, they want to drive Prado. Abba. So the truth is no excuse for them at all. Not your ascribe any of the mistake of this local government to the governor. Not your made that mistake. Do you know why? Because now inside the local government, now Ikpuba did, and the Ikpuba is up and doing. Ikpuba is up and doing. Somebody challenged me with the question, say, Neo Victor Ero, he said, Stanley, you when they discredit Edo State vigilante, what do you don't do to stop the ongoing court killing in your area? You are making a very big mistake if you say I'm discrediting vigilante. After all, the vigilante not be only you, they guide me and you. What I'm saying is this. We need a well-structured vigilante. Not be saying you go pack Agbome, pack artists for one group, you say na vigilante they be. Now they can't get leverage so they remove weapon. Before you say you be member of vigilante, we need to know so you don't renounce. I mean, we not be with the streets. We don't know people where they say vigilante will be Agbo boys. You be Agbo man. You never renounce. You take game. Now be saying that you don't sponsor one side against the other now. It is the truth. For you to get, see, if we not do what we talk so, say me all these people go renounce, we will end up breeding more insecurity. Okay, let's take an example. Sakunopodi is not a vigilante. Before, maybe if I want to carry pump passion, for example, I'll palm. If I drop a vigilante, I will like that on the past. As you say, hey, where you the guy this pumpy they go and say, I be vigilante, you leave me. Whereas I want to transfer that thing now, I want to give me one art, maybe for a place like go. I want to transfer and go give them maybe take art. How can I go give them safely? They go after all, they're not right there from the gun, but they say, Osakunopodi brought it to shoot somebody. No. Yes, so that is it. Sorry for that break. So, as you see, if you see them, with just they move, hey, you can convey those weapons peacefully. So what I'm saying is, before somebody choose to say, before they allow any of them to be vigilante, they must make sure say they don't go common hand for what they put on. Now then, if they come on for what they put on, now themselves go they bust. They'll say we know. See, now they'll say carry phone. If they don't renounce, they don't really choose. Say we not going to do again. Now they'll say carry phone. Call the next man. Say, John, you know say you be my friend though. Me and you gonna did the same agbo. Me and you did the same agbo, you know. But I don't come on hand, John. Now me they will send bust you, repent to come on your hand, do. Come on your hand because if you act, you do anything wrong, bros, I will find you. Because he already conclude say I want to help my state. And this kind of people, they don't need to even starve them economically. They need to get access to funds. They need to get access to funds. But for now, may I tell you the truth? I know people when me don't see for streets. Where people say there be disaster. Then some of them carry walking talk and say there be vigilante. You will be disaster. You will be disaster. If you now say, if we don't say I say there is a disaster where you say be, you change them, you can't turn to disaster of Edo to break down those emerging disaster. We'll clap for you. That is the point we are raising. So I am not against vigilante. After all, if something happened to Osakunopodi, I should be able to pick my phone and say, hello, where are you vigilante? There's something happening here. No, be say I go carry phone, go copy and say, hello. There's something happening here. There's something, which man did it? There's something man did it. Mo your boom. Okay, we'll try and call your boom because they're their friend. No, that's the point. So do not misconstrue my opinion. 1 minute, please. Sorry. Do not misconstrue my opinion. We don't go Christian. We need vigilance. Yeah. And again, Alpha, where you there now, Vikabu? Yeah, that you just that my house. You just so you are wrong. And excuse me. Vikabu, open gate for Vikabu. Hello, Kojiba. Kojiba. Hello, for Vikabu, the man. Nobody. Hello. Who did it? Kojiba. I don't make it up for you. Please excuse me, a friend of mine just came. I want to put for him. Okay, sorry. Roskak. My house random. Vico Vikabu. You too much. So as I was saying, yeah, sorry for the break in our communication. This is because of the fact that one of my most respected political and economic gladiator came to visit me, and I said, let me usher him in before my name will go right out for. So as I was saying, so it's not as if we don't like vigilante. We need them. Let me say you go gather one group of set of people who on one side, they will come begin to act wrongly. If you see wetin dey play for street sometimes, you just see men, they just dey move, so you carry tools. Just dey waka dey go for street, they ask and say, who you be go say vigilante? The question is, some of them say, now everybody, the brother they ask, they say, where your ID card? So the truth is, I just want to clarify that area. We not hate vigilante, we need them. After all, we need to be vigilant. We need to prepare ourselves to be able to confront the emerging Fulani threats. It is the truth. As we speak today, I tell you now the other day, my personal experience. We go one community, go check land. The individual of the community by themselves, they say, Mona, we will want buy land. You dey tell us for our own face, say, Mona, quick, man. And you say, Mo, come buy the place. We were there, we want follow you buy land. You dey tell us, say, Mona, quick, man. And if you can imagine, that's to tell you the extent at which, and just recently, some few days ago, if I'm not mistaken, many people marked Ore, Lagos area territory there between the two. They send me other Yoruba people come for southern Nigeria. So these are threats. Excuse me. Hello? Domo. Hey, the word Lou. Hey, where's the go? We are you now? Okay, you are true now. You are calling away. You are true now. No. They don't chase them, come out. Amatekun don't chase them, come out for Yoruba area, no? Yoruba land. Bros, we don't fit know, say, they no fit go, they no fit go River State. If they go River State, they know say the name, now so it be. Then if they go Bayelsa State, all those ones said they don't fit the pump down. They don't fit go Delta. But if you come here, they will say, oh, my coming. It not concern me. But you don't know say it not concern me. The first, they never, have you ever heard say record any death and so they keep one more for Yoruba land. But they never even start it until they don't drop 2 for Runibi. For Orion. 2 don't go down for Orion. That's to tell you the extent at which this thing are threat. So we need to empower our vigilante to stand the test of time. Yes, but not be say we those that will come empower them to the level we say that we don't check them where they're going to use until they do squad to squad for inside street. That is the point. That is the point we are trying to raise. Now you see, if we want to talk the real story as it's supposed to be, you're gonna pay some people say, hey, not talking. No, it may not switch you for EA, but not the facts. If we put only your interest into consideration by looking at how you go take switch you for EA, we will not move the state forward. Talk the truth as it's supposed to be. Talk the truth as it's supposed to be. For now, I just want to cut this video because this is my chairman will come so. I see the way they do talk like this. If you swallow me, if I don't follow up. So I want to say thank you very much for listening to me. I'm with Queen of Woody. Please do not forget, we are into CFO, we are into building plan design and construction. We are into land survey. In fact, I tell you, say, I'm not too this son of a tango, I don't do okay. But as we speak, our work not pause. Our work is still going on because only one person not do one. We get this organized structure. Our organogram is there. Why I am here is relaxing because I need to get myself okay. I'm not telling you say I did do CEO. No, I need to man not go one day you pass it as I did your site. I will say 200 by 150 or 400. Boom, you come from there. You say oh rush. So I need to do a little bit okay for me to commence and to start work again on Monday fully. Thank you very much for listening to me. I remain my humble self, your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Sazon Sakwino, voting the Coordinator General Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO Stanley Sadi Enterprise, the CFO Man Edo State. In fact, I have to beg you for the time when I say rush, come on, just because let me pay your data, you can watch me. I just tell you, say I'm coming, I just begin this zoo here and there, like saying I'm really pay for your data and your time. So forgive my negligence in that regard. But believe you me, that particular actions, it was very imperative so that I fit accommodate the person, my long-time brother. I cannot go talk with anyone for a video. So thank you very much. I'm grateful. Bye for now. Word Vico Vicaboo.